You're a bunch of idiots.
You know that thing that you have, you know, like where you watch wallpaper dry? No, wall paint dry. Just watch Sai on camera. That's like the same.
Well, his face is white enough to be paint.
Most boring show on earth.
Zoom it in. That might be more interesting.
It is zoomed in.
Zoom in closer.
No, no.
He's moved! He's moved!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, the suspense. Ah.
Any comments? You're showing emotion.
Ah. It's a happy day.
See, he's human after all.
He's having tears in his eyes.
So many emotions in one.
Like an explosion.
Sai, you've had your first emotion in your life. How do you feel?
He feels depressed.
No, seriously, Sai, how do you feel?
Tired.
Oh, was it that much work to have an emotion?
Yeah.
Oh.
My eye is itching.
I'm glad Naruto now has a penis.
It's a fluffy penis.
What was that?
What did you just throw?
Nothing. That was it. He can now go around. Things work.
Are you sucking your thumb and hiding it so that we don't need to...
That's what Sasuke does.
What the fuck? Who are you impersonating?
Hitler.
Lee!
How does Lee have a mustache?
It's one of his eyebrows that's fell down.
Still he wears fake eyebrows.
Now it's Lee. Or Guy. Lee or Guy.
Ooh. Ooh.
Both. Their love child.
Ew. Damn, it's an ugly baby.
Yeah.
Now that's Guy Sensei.
That'll work. That's his side. Show no emotion. You have the key.
Give me back my summon monster. Got it. Mine. Hold camera.
I got a Pokemon.
Hold camera. You got Bush.
That is not Bush.
It's your mom.
What the fuck? Bestiality.
What?
It's bestiality.
Why do you think Sai draws giant animal things? Because of love.
You're not going in my sketch pad.
Don't worry, Eno already has.
You're allowed pretty neat